Good evening, good evening. Oh my God, it finished already my problems. All the disasters coming in my life now, it's really done. And also, very nice. And I was really stressful, tired. Reason why I don't have a video. And also, I'm so sad because my relatives in Cebu got problem. I hope they are fine. And I will pray. Really, I want to pray them with them. I hope they are good. Please be strong. And really, I want to cry. Well, anyway, I would say this good night. For the whole day, God gave me a miraculous way. He settled my problem. And also number one, my best friend, because my friend, she the one who make it everything just to settle my problem. So I'm very thankful. I hope God will giving her more bless come. And this Friday, maybe I will go the church. I would go in the church, really. I surrender everything. Thank you. Good night. Bye.